Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install and customize the Astra theme in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress account. On the left panel, go to Appearance, then select Themes. Now, click Add New at the top left. In the search bar, type Astra. Once it appears, click Install, and after that, click Activate. Now, Astra is installed on your WordPress site. Next, we're going to add a plugin to make customization easier. On the left panel, click Astra, then go to its dashboard. On the right side, you'll see Starter Templates. Click on it and install and activate to proceed. Once activated, you can now start building your site using templates. Click the Build button, then choose Block Editor. Now, select a template you want for your website, and you'll be taken to the customization steps. Click Skip to move forward. On the left panel, you can now choose a color palette that matches your site's vibe. You can also change the fonts. Once you're done, click Continue. Next, add your basic information and proceed. After that, you can go back to the Astra dashboard to start customizing further. One of the first things you can do is add a logo. Click Site Identity, then go to Title and Logo Settings. Here, upload your logo image, and it will appear on your site. Don't forget to click Publish at the top to save your changes. You can also change your site's fonts. Just go to Global, then select Typography, and choose the font style you want. Going back, you can also customize your site colors. Under the Header Builder section, you can change your navigation menu by clicking on it and adjusting the settings. You can rearrange the items or add new ones as needed. You can further customize your site by navigating the different options. Now let's proceed to editing your page content. Go back to the WordPress dashboard, then click Pages. Here, select Edit on the page from Astra template you are customizing. You can click on any text to edit it. You can also change the default images by selecting them and click on Replace, and now upload your own. If you want to add new elements, click the Add button at the top left and choose whatever you need. And that's it. Your Astra theme is now installed and customized. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.